How much debt have you paid off? How fast?
$230,000 in 18 months.
How much debt have you paid off? How fast?
11 grand in 18 months.
104,000 in 10 and a half months.
30 grand in 24 months.
80,000 in 10 months.
4 grand in 4 months.
1,500 in 1 month.
2,000 in 5 months without a job.
70,000 in 18 months.
980.
Stand up. Move.
985,000 in 48 months. 7,000 in like 20 months.
225,000 in 37 months.
323,000 in 48 months.
15,000 in 18 months.
150,000 in 20 months.
394,000 in 22 months.
95,000 in 36 months. 44,000 in 36 months.
Stand up.
457,500 in 10 months.
65,000 in 15 months after losing 60% of our income.
9,800 in a month and a half, and I'm debt free.
44,000 in 36 months.
68,000 in 36 months.
7,300 in 10 months.
163,000 in 11 months.
845,000 in 4 years.
20,000 in 12 months.
Go.
600,000 in 58 months.
And how much has your war on debt classes paid off?
We have 300 people that have paid off $6.1 million in 56 months.
These are your role models. You know I could just keep going. So does war on debt work? Has your plan failed? Don't keep doing your plan. Use a plan that works. There's 157 people up there. This 157 people have paid off $31 million worth of debt. That's a record. $31 million worth of debt. 157 people. $31 million worth of debt. $31 million.